Just for reference, the older one, or the original one's on the bottom, my version's on the top, so you can see quite a difference on the hook there. I just couldn't get the original to launch, catapult launch. Hi guys, up on Webb's Heath. Intermittent strong wind and then absolutely nothing. That's completely died away now, which is what I want, because I want to try this. This is my modified version of Spencer Hunt's, he calls it the Performer or something on Thingiverse, and on his YouTube video he calls it a Sailplane. Anyway, I modified the hook. Let's wait for that wind to go by. I'll turn the other way. I modified the hook so I got a better hook for hooking my rubber band on. I also moved it forwards a little bit because I just couldn't get it to catapult launch, his version. So we'll see what happens. Only trouble is it's fairly long grass, so I'll probably lose it. Hand launch first. Oh, hang on. Come on. It wasn't windy enough to fly one of the kites. Right. So that's hand launch. See what happens catapult launch. I printed it with PETG, which seems to be a bit too flexible. I think what happens is the wings flex when I launch it, and it loses, well, it loses its shape. Well, at least it went up that time. Oh, that's better. That's much better. Literally couldn't launch the other one, catapult launch. Oh, look at that go. Right. Well, I'm happy with that. So I moved the hook forwards and made it a better shape. Can we see that? Yeah. I moved it forwards by about 10 millimeters, roughly, and made it a proper hook so it holds me rubber bands on. Got some dog walkers coming now, so best if I stop. Right. one more. Yeah, that's fixed it. Moving the hook forwards and making it a better shape to hold on to my rubber band. It's not an ideal place to fly it, the grass is too long. It's also wet because it's been raining, so my shoes are getting wet. So I'll moan for a few minutes, but you don't need to hear that. I'll put it away. That was a success. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.